Hi there, how are you today?
I'm good. Thank you. How about you?
I'm doing well, thanks for asking. Did you do anything interesting recently?
Not really. Just been working and hanging out at home. How about you?
I went for a hike last weekend. It was really refreshing to be out in nature.
That sounds nice. I should get out more often. Do you have any plans for the upcoming weekend?
Not yet, I'm still figuring it out. Maybe another hike, or maybe just relaxing at home. What about you?
I might visit some family. It's been a while since I've seen them.
That sounds like a great idea. Family time is always important. Well, it was nice chatting with you.
Yeah, same here. Take care and have a great day.
You too, bye.